Let's just put it that way.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing.
Oh hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine and I'm so happy to see you here today. Hope you join us and subscribe down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, what's up? Give this video a thumbs up, it helps support the channel. So in today's video, I'm trying out some new products from Rare Beauty. I wanted to create a fall makeup look. You know, fall is literally around the corner. I have a love-hate relationship with fall because I hate being cold, but I love the fall season. You know, I love pumpkin spice lattes, fall makeup, fall fashion, fall everything except the weather. So if you guys are from New York, you probably can relate because sometimes it gets really cold, unless you like that. I don't know, to you. Anyways, you guys, if you want to see me try out these new products from the Rare Beauty line, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started. I already primed my face using the Laura Mercier primer that I always use, the Pure Blurring Canvas Primer. And now we're gonna use my Rare Beauty foundation. I haven't used this in a whole week. But this is in the shade 450N. There are a few other shades that I can use in this foundation, I believe, but this is just the one that I have. I'm gonna actually shake it up a bit. I actually really like the formula of this foundation. It's very lightweight and it's perfect for just an everyday makeup look, which I like doing, you know, sometimes. I'm gonna start blending this out with my beauty blender. I use these beauty blenders that I get on Amazon. They're amazing. I have them linked down below for you guys because I love them. I've been using them for like a year now and they're so good and so affordable. So check them out. Anyways, just gonna blend this in. You can use a brush to apply it. If you use a what am I saying? If you use a brush, you will get more coverage right away, because the sponges do take up a little bit of the product, but I don't mind layering my products if I want more coverage, so that's what I usually do. And I'm so excited to do fall makeup because I haven't really, like, you know, done any fall makeup in a whole year. It's been a year. Like fall makeup, fall colors, fall food, a little apple cider, you know, pumpkin spice lattes. But I can definitely do without the very cold weather because I live in New York, and in New York sometimes fall can mean 39 degrees outside in the morning, so I don't like that. I feel like I would like fall if I lived in the South, like in terms of weather. Anyways, back to foundation. All right, so I'm gonna add another layer just because I want a little bit more coverage, just right on my cheeks area and right here, and then on my forehead a bit. Basically my whole face. Alright, so we're gonna blend this out once again. I just like how lightweight this foundation feels. It feels like you're not wearing anything, and I really like that. And I also noticed that everything in this line is under $30, which is amazing. So Rare Beauty is definitely looking out for us because thank you, Selena. Okay, next we're gonna use concealer. This is in the shade 440C. In my last video, someone commented about the handles of these products being made with having arthritis in mind, and I thought that was so, you know, amazing. Anyways, we're gonna blend this in. I like it.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into you.
I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer. I always like to layer my concealer because it just gives me a more flawless finish under my eyes.
You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
I saw a comment in one of my last videos asking if my beauty blender is damp, and yes, it is damp. It's not wet, but it's definitely not dry. Alright, moving on to powder. I'm gonna use my Fenty powder. This is in the shade Cashew, and we're just gonna put some in the lid. I'm so excited to see what's in store for Rare Beauty. I noticed on Trendmood that she's coming out with eyeshadows, so I cannot wait to see what those eyeshadows look like. So I can't wait. And I wonder if it's still gonna have the you know, the price range, the under $30 price. Ooh, flawless. I'm gonna put some more. I really need to get a bigger version of this powder. I don't know why I never did. I kind of just got the mini size to try it because a lot of you guys recommended it to me, and I fell in love with it, and now we just have this little powder thing. But I probably will need it soon because I use this one. Oh my gosh, there's not that much left in here. Probably like 3 more makeup applications before that's done. The only makeup powder I ever finished was my Laura Mercier setting powder. Besides that one, I tend not to finish powders because I just have so many that I go through. But sometimes, you know, you just have those products that you just always use even though you have like a few different options. Well, for me, I have more than a few, but I'm saying, you know, like when it comes to setting powder, I just have a few that I really, really love and I use all the time. And this is definitely one of them. So to bronze my face, I'm gonna use Maui Nights from Becca. I haven't used this in ages, literally a long time. I opened my drawer and it was literally the first thing I saw, so I picked it up. So pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna put some all around my forehead. This is one of my favorites for like the summertime. It's so sad that summer is ending though. Ooh, so pretty. I'm also gonna use this Fenty Beauty bronzer. This one is Cocoa Naughty, and I like to use this one for my nose. So very lightly contouring my nose. And then I go with the sponge and I go over it to make sure that, you know, it doesn't look too crazy. I'm gonna use my Rimmel mascara to just do my bottom lashes. Are you ready to take this look from regular into fall? So the first new product I'm gonna use is the blush, and I got a new shade. It is called Faith, and you guys know how much I love the other shade that I used, that it was called Love, I believe. I loved it. It was so beautiful. I love the formula. So I definitely wanted to get a new blush. This is also a matte blush. I thought this color would be perfect for fall. Like, do you see this? Such fall. Like, this is fall, definitely. This is such a beautiful color for the fall season. This is such a beautiful color. I'm gonna swatch it first so you guys can see. That was such a weird swatch. But this is kind of what it looks like, and I'm gonna just apply it to my face like I did. Oop. Yeah, I'm gonna just apply it like this, and then I take my sponge and just blend it in. It just blends out a lot quicker, I think, with a sponge than with my finger. I just put a lot on this side to kind of see what it would look like. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Ooh. Keep in mind the sponge is eating some of it up, so if you're using your finger, don't apply that much because it would look probably crazy. So that's pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit more on this side only because I didn't add as much, and I want to make sure my cheeks are even. So yeah, I'm gonna a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna blend this. So I'm just gonna blend. So pretty. This is perfect for fall, you guys. Like, this color is just beautiful, and I love the formula. When I wore the other blush, it stayed on all day. Like, it did not come off my face, and that doesn't happen with blushes because usually powder blushes leave your face in a matter of minutes, maybe an hour. I am going to use Reflect once again. This is the highlighter, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face a bit just right up here. Such a beautiful color, you guys. This color is literally amazing on my skin tone. So pretty. I love it. Do you see that? Like, it just melts into my skin tone. It just looks like it was, you know, made for me. So if you're anywhere near my skin tone, definitely try this color. And I love the formula as well. It's so pretty. I don't usually gravitate towards products that are not as like full coverage and like a beat face, but these products, something about them I just really love. Like maybe it's the aesthetic, I don't know, but I'm really like vibing with these products. I love them. So next we're gonna go into liquid lipstick, and I picked up this shade because I thought, you know, fall. This is the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream, and this color is called Strengthen. So this is, oh, okay, this is it here. And honestly, I haven't been really into liquid lipsticks for about 3 or 4 years, but I actually don't mind this formula. It's not super drying. It reminds me of something like very soft and velvety. Well, at least the other shade did. So let me try this shade and let you guys know if it's the same and how I like it. Yeah, it feels the same. Smells the same too.
Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
This color is really pretty. Like, it's nice. This color is actually so pretty. It's like a reddish, burgundy-ish, beautiful color for fall. I love it. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter down my nose. I always like to add some down here, and I'm gonna use my finger to just kind of blend it. I'm using this Milani highlighter because I like to use powder in my inner corner. Whenever I use liquid in here, it just doesn't look the same, so I like to just put powder in this inner corner. The last thing I'm going to do is use my MAC C8 powder, and I always like to put this under my eye, so I'm just going to press this in. Alright girls, so this is the finished look, and I definitely love the lip product and the blush that I tried today. I think they're so beautiful for fall. If you can't tell by now, I definitely am a big fan of Rare Beauty, so I cannot wait to see what else she has in store for us. I am loving the brand, and I think this look is perfect for fall. Although I hate the cold weather, I love the fall season. Let's just put it that way. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.